Hello everyone, welcome to Papa Sky channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the Kanban, how to set up a board in Kanban board in JIRA, how to set up a workflow in Kanban board, how to set up a WIP limit, and how to do the configuration setting. So that's the topic for the video today. But if you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe this channel, and you can identify we are having the full list of JIRA and the Scrum other topics which can be valuable for you. So let's begin how to create a project in Kanban in Jira. So for creating a project, first what you need to go, you need to click on the project setting over here. In the project setting, you're seeing the create project option. So you can see multiple projects has been created over here. So if you're creating the first time, you won't be able to see any project over here. So click on the create project option. And once you click on the create project, you will see the multiple options or the multiple project template in the right hand side. So here's the catch. This is the Jira Cloud version. So you check with your organization which version you are using, and based on the version and configuration, this look and view will differ, but you will be finding mostly the options over there. So for getting the Kanban template, you need to click under the software development section over there. But before going to there, you can see Jira is providing the multiple options like if you want to create a project under service management, you can select that. In the product management also, even the board is available for marketing, human resource, finance, design, followed by a number of areas. So today our focus is on the software development. So click on the software development. Once you click on that, you'll be seeing options over here: Kanban, Scrum, and top level planning. So we have seen how to create a Scrum board in our previous videos. If you did not see, go and have a look. Today we'll focus on the Kanban. So click on the Kanban. Once you click on the Kanban, it's showing and it's giving a brief description about the template. So under you can see you will be having the issue type like epic, stories, bug, task, subtask, and the workflow is very simple: to do, in progress, and done. Definitely we are going to change this workflow. So once you select this template, just click on use template. Okay. Once you create a template, here's two options which you are seeing over here. One is a team manage and one is company managed. What is mean by team manage and what is mean by company manage? What is the difference? Let's understand the difference first. So if you see in the team manage, if you think that your team is s- not dependent on any other team, you do not want to interact on any other teams, or you're not, your project or product is not having a dependencies on other team. So what you can do, you can create a team manage template over here. So once you select over there, other people or other teams won't be able to see your board if you're selecting these options. But in the right hand side, which you see the company managed option over here. So if you're selecting the company managed template, which is most recommended, and if you see in your organization, whenever someone create a new board in Jira, they usually select the company managed. So if you select that option, so anyone and everyone who is in your organization, they will be able to see your board. They can contribute on your board also, and you can assign the ticket to the other team members. And mostly it is needed for a, if you are working in the multiple team across your program or project and they are interacting to each other. So we are going to select the company managed template over here. Cool. So once you select a company manage, you are seeing the option add project details. So this is the area where you need to give your team name, and be cautious about while you're giving the name, because once you give the name of your team and once you select the name, later you cannot change the name. So usually the name is belongs to your project or application which you are going to work. If you're not sure, ideally you need to talk with your POs or leadership, what is this project about. So we'll take the example of one project over here. For take example, we are building one mobile app applications called Elite Mart. So I'll give the name as Elite Mart, and the keyword you can see based on this name, the keyword is coming, which is EL. So which is mostly whenever you're creating the user stories or defect or epic in the Jira, you can see the keyword with where the user story has been started. So if you want to give the some other name of this keyword, you can change right away. For example, I want to give the keyword like highlight. So all my user stories, defect, or anything which I'm creating the issue type in the Jira, it should start with the highlight. Then it's showing the template is Kanban, and type you have selected the company manage and click on the next option. Cool. So once you have created the next option, you can see it is giving me few option like you wanted to connect to the Confluence. So this Confluence nothing one of the repository. If you're not sure about Confluence, what is it, how to use the Confluence, you can refer the videos which I have created. So Confluence nothing as a repository where you put all your product related informations in very structured way. So we'll select the Confluence. So here is one catch. So since I have a license with JIRA with the Confluence, that's why it's giving me the option. For your organization, maybe you will be needing more things to connect. For example, you want to connect your code repository. So if you have a GitHub or the JIRA repository or any other repository, that option maybe it will be available over here. You can connect those repository. Then if you want to connect any other applications, like you want to connect the team Slack or any communication application, which this option would be visible for you based on the your organization has opted for a services, so you can select those options. Because if I see a lot of people ping me on my videos or over the chat, I am not able to configure the Jira, how to I am not able to configure the Confluence or other application, and at what stage we need to configure those things, how to configure those applications. So this is the area whenever you're creating a project, after creating the template, once you come on the connect your work section, there you can click select those options. So what we'll do, we'll select the option like I'm going to connect the Confluence. So once you connect the Confluence, it's giving you the option, do you want to enter the name of your space? You can give the name. For example, I will give the Elite Mart. So this is the space or the project where whatever the documentation or the information regarding the project which we want to put it, we can put over there. So I'll just click on create. So the new space has been created for me, and I click on the continue. It's quite easy creating the board in Jira. So you can see it is giving me the pop-up like your product and the dashboard has been created, and the Confluence has been now connected, which is the Elite Mart. If you want to view over there, let's just have a quick glance how it will look like. Perfect, right? So you can see this is the placeholder, or this is space which has been created for my Kanban board, which is the Elite Mart or the project Elite Mart. So teams can come on the Confluence, they can create the pages, they can create a documentation about the project details, and this they can share it among it. So this is how we can create the Confluence page. Let's go back, and now we'll go back to the project. Perfect. So now you can see we have created the board called Allied Mod, which is the Kanban board, and on this Kanban board, we have a nice columns. Like we have a column backlog, in progress done column. We are going to configure most column over there, and then you'll be having a timeline. And this is very simple board for the Kanban, which has been created. So yes, so this is the step A, guys, which we have discussed, like how to create a Kanban board in the Jira from scratch. So I have shown you the steps in the video, as well as what I'll do, I'll putting those steps maybe in the video description, so you can refer those things. So this is about creating the Kanban board in the Jira. So now what we can do, and yeah, before we are moving to the next topic, if you did not subscribe to this channel, just please go ahead, subscribe it, hit the like button, and stay tuned for the next video.